Hey, what's going on, y'all? So just want to bring y'all another real talk video. I do these sometimes on the channel. It's not, structured and nothing like that, and no bullet points. This is just straight from the dome, and it just kind of came to me. So I felt like, getting on camera and just sharing my thoughts with y'all. What I want to talk about is perfectionism. And this is something that I've struggled with. I've gotten better with it, but it's something that I struggled with for a long time. And this applies to not only photography or photography business, like this applies to life. I've let this whole being perfect thing hold me back for so long, like in life, not just my business, in life, like just trying to make sure I'm doing everything perfect, trying to wait for that perfect moment, trying to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned, just making up excuses because, things aren't perfect. That's why I'm not doing this, or I'm not trying to accomplish this goal, or why I can't do it. And at times it's something that has held me back. Last year, I was trying to be perfect and just really being super hard on myself. And that's something that I want to improve in 2021. And that's something that I want to share with y'all. Don't be so hard on yourself. Like as far as photography, let's say, maybe a shoot didn't go good, or maybe you're not getting the amount of bookings that you want. Like, don't beat yourself up about that. I've had those moments to where I'm super hard on myself. I'm saying in my head that I suck, we're not good enough. Even I've had thoughts of just hanging it up. Like, questioning, am I truly meant to do this? Like, can I succeed with photography? Like, will our business continue to be successful? Not saying it's super successful, but we've came super far. I don't ever want y'all to think that we're super perfect and successful, because we're not. We still have a lot of work to do. It's crazy how you realize even when you've been doing something for so long that you still have a lot of work to do moving forward. And I can even tie this into my YouTube channel. I've let, trying to be perfect with my videos and the lighting and all this stuff kind of halt my journey in a sense, kind of halt my just productivity and everything. It gets to the point that you're focusing on these little things so much that you can't even create the content. You can't even, let the shoot flow naturally, or whatever it is. It kills your creativity. Perfection, trying to be perfect, can kill your creativity. And in a lot of cases for me, it makes me stop. Like, I'm not even productive at all. I don't want to do anything. I just stop. Like, for example, if I'm making a video and I don't feel like it's perfect enough, then I may not even release it. I'll just delete it, which is crazy. I got to stop doing that. And we have to stop doing that. We need to stop chasing perfection. There's no such thing as perfection. Nothing is perfect. Like, my channel isn't perfect. I'm not perfect. Like, I feel like I suck at talking and I need to really work on that. But you know what? It's okay. I've really come to accept that these things are okay. And sorry if I'm getting a little bit hype. I'm just really, this is coming from here. These things are okay. It's okay if your photos aren't perfect. It's okay if your website's not perfect. It's okay if the lighting is off in a YouTube video or during a shoot. Like, it's okay. Like, why do we trip so much on things that don't really matter? And that's something that you really need to sit down. I've sat down with myself and said, you know what? I'm really tripping on stuff that doesn't even matter. Like, as far as photography, clients don't care if stuff's perfect. They don't care if, technically during the shoot, I'm perfect as far as my settings and my lighting. Like, nobody cares about that stuff. This year, we gotta let this stuff go, especially 2021. I'm letting this stuff go, man. Like I said, I've gotten better with it, but I still find myself in this whole perfection trap and perfect mindset. And I'm really trying to let that go this year with whatever it is, photography, life, whatever, because it's okay. And I wanted to tell y'all this message because I want you to know it's okay. If your work's not perfect, post it, still post it. Market the heck out of that work. My work isn't perfect. Some of my shots I think are trash. I've been shooting for almost 5 years and I still get shots and I'm like, this is trash. And I'll probably never release it because I'm just being so hard on myself and so just critical on myself. And maybe I'm just in my own head. You know, maybe I put it out and people think it's great, but because I'm so in my own head, you know, I'm in real hard on myself, I'm just like, I'm not gonna put it out. Don't let perfection stop you this year. It can kill your creativity. It can kill your business. Like currently we're in the process of doing a small rebrand. We feel like we've grown as a business. It's just time to change up some stuff, the website, logo, our messaging, stuff like that. And I've been working on this website for, I don't know, maybe about a month, and I had to stop myself because I caught myself in that whole perfection phase again, like trying to make sure everything's perfect. And I said to myself, you know what? It's okay if it's not perfect. I just need to get it out there. And see, that's holding you back, is continuing to hold off on things and waiting for it to be perfect. And it's never gonna be perfect. And a lot of you are probably in that situation. You're holding off on something, or you're resisting putting something out there because it's not perfect. But it doesn't matter. Just do whatever you want to do. Put out there whatever you want to put out there. Whatever goal you have, chase it. The journey isn't going to be perfect. You're going to run into obstacles, all kinds of stuff. And that's okay. So no more holding back. No more waiting for things to be perfect and trying to be perfect, because that does not exist. I guess what I'm trying to say is we're holding ourselves back. When you think like that, you're just holding yourself back, and you're delaying the journey. You're delaying, you know, how long it's going to take for you to reach that goal, or to achieve just whatever you're trying to do, because of you. And that's the thing. We stop ourselves when it comes to a lot of stuff. We're holding ourselves back. It's crazy that it took me so long to realize something like that. Like, I'm holding myself back, you know. And that's something I'm gonna do with these videos this year. I just filmed a video, and you know what? It's not perfect. The lighting isn't perfect, you know, the script or whatever, what I'm saying isn't perfect, but I'm gonna continue to put out content like that. I even want to start putting out photos. I did a shoot the other day, and some of those photos aren't perfect. They're not the best, but I think I need to do it for myself, to put that out and to just get over this mental hump of, you know, having to have that perfect image and everything be perfect. Because I feel like once we can get over that, once I can get over that, I just feel like you're just gonna feel a lot better and feel free, in a sense, like that you're content with things and you're not focusing on all these small things that don't really matter. So that's just my little spiel. Hopefully this video is not all over the place. I know sometimes I can kind of get off topic and go very random, but this is from here, and I just felt like it was a message that I needed to share with y'all. And this is a serious issue that people deal with, this whole perfectionism thing, and it can get really bad. And I hate that it's holding some of us back from our purpose and just doing great things, because we're worried about, you know, stuff not being perfect and waiting for that perfect situation to happen. And I just hope that we can all move past these mental blocks and continue to put out into the world what we love, and just continue to show up and do what we do. You know what I mean? So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of educational content. I really try to help photographers out of my videos. I don't try to post BS or a lot of fluff. I'm truly giving you information that has helped me and I feel like can help you. And I try to put out just the best content I can. I'm really looking forward to putting out some new stuff this year. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.